this might be the best robot vacuum in 2025.
That the Mova Z60 Ultra Roller Complete is one of the most capable and reliable cleaning robots I've tested.
Mova takes a bold, power, and innovation approach with its dual brush rollers and industry-leading suction.
No more double dipping with those old school mods. The Hydro4 system is a total game changer.
There were no sticky patches, no streaks, and the surface looked properly clean. For homes with light-colored flooring where even faint marks are noticeable,
the Hydro4 system continuously rinses the roller mop with 12 nozzles while removing dirty water so you can get streak-free cleaning, as well as dual anti-tangle rollers so you can deep clean homes with pets and long hair without constantly stopping to cut wrapped hair from brushes.
Uninterrupted cleaning performance, even in homes with tall rugs, raised tiles, or steep transitions that stop other robots in their track.
Lift Pro raises the chassis over small thresholds, while Stepmaster deploys a retractable robotic leg to climb higher obstacles smoothly, up to 8 centimeters. This keeps the robot moving without getting stuck. The app even notes when and where the robot climbed over an obstacle, adding another layer of useful feedback.
From a features perspective, we've got dual solution containers, which is also another first. If you're looking for a budget robot to do just light vacuuming, this probably isn't the robot for you. But if you want a hands-off, high-tech, hygienic solution that handles everything from vacuuming and deep mopping, to pet messes, to edge cleaning, to carpet protection, this is the benchmark and the robot vacuum system to beat right now.